First, I created the array and put it inside this variable here in the $arr variable, and I stored the array in there. And then next I set the variable low to be the lowest index in the array, and this low variable is used to keep track of the start end of the list that is being searched for. And next I found the length of the array in order to set the high variable here to equal the index of the highest value in the array. This high variable is used to keep track of the other end of the list that is being examined. Next I set the target variable, and this will store the target of the binary search. So this is what the binary searches will be looking for. And next I created a while loop here that will run when the low variable is less than or equal to the high variable. And I set the mid variable to equal the index of the middle value in the array. Next I created an if statement for when the mid value in the array is equal to the target value. And after that I set the subfind to be equal to the integer of the mid value if this is true. As the target value would have been found if the conditions are met, the found value becomes true as the target value has been found. Next I created an else if for when the mid value is greater than the target value. If this condition is true, then the high variable would be made equal to the mid minus 1. And then finally I have an else statement that will add 1 to the mid value if none of the other conditions are true, and it will run the while loop again. And after all of this, the binary search is complete, and so it will echo the index of where the target is. So now I'll show this working. So let's say we're looking, the target is 3. If the target is 3, then it should be index 0, 1, 2. It should show index 2.